Which is more important to you, having an abundance of women or having an abundance of money? You'd actually be surprised how some people answer this question, because think about it. Imagine having all the money. You have a nice high-rise apartment, nice windows, cool car, great lifestyle, but your dating apps aren't working. When you approach girls, they say, "Get away from me," right? But on the other hand, you can be broke, making like 40K a year with all the women you want. You have a new girl every week, hanging out, life's good. But then you realize, wait, I have no money to keep them. So the best answer, obviously, is a balance of both. But whenever I talk to guys about women and their answer is, "I'm focusing on me," what does that even mean? Like, you're telling me you can't approach a girl while on your purpose? You can't go out and enjoy a nice meal or a nice drink with a pretty lady while you're on your purpose? You see, a lot of times I think when guys say they're focusing on themselves, it's almost like a cop-out. Because think about it. It's easy to show up to your job 9 to 5. It's easy actually to go to the gym and show up and do some cardio and walk on the treadmill. That's easy. But for a lot of guys, facing the music, facing the hard parts of reality of walking up to girls, taking the photos for the online dating apps, for some guys it's hard. Literally. So ask yourself, if I'm self-improving and I'm focusing on myself, what results have I gotten? If your answer is, "Shit, I'm the same," it's okay. You're like most guys. I truly believe you don't have to shut off all of the other to gain, right? So let me give you an example. Some guys think the best way to get money is by going into a hole and not speaking to anyone or anything for a very long time. Now, I will say, if you're the guy that does lock himself up in a hole, you better come out on top, or you better come out with some good results. Really, because I know for a fact, if you really, really want something, heavy sacrifice is necessary. Look at Kobe Bryant. That guy practiced twice a day, 3 times a day, put up 1,000 shots. And guess what? It showed on the court, right? But if you're the guy that's locking himself in a hole, not approaching women because you're focusing on you, okay, how much extra money did you make? Are you in better shape now? If those two answers are no, you're not focusing on yourself. You're running from your problems. Because listen, guys, you may be a black pillar or a hardcore red pillar, hopefully neither, but it's like you want a woman. You want to have a girl to lay up with you at night. And getting women is a skill. It really is a skill. Charisma is a skill. Confidence is a skill. And the more you work that muscle of approaching, being confident, being charismatic, the easier it will become. The longer you push your girl problems to the back, the uglier and uglier they get. Because when you don't get girls when you're 13, 14, okay, who cares? But if you're 25, 27, 35, still can't approach a girl, dating life is stale, it's like, bro, you were supposed to have these problems when you were young, when having money, charisma, and confidence were a bit harder for guys to have at a young age. You're supposed to have that shit figured out now. So it's interesting because there are guys out there who have the money, but they just don't have the skills of approaching women. There's guys out there that have lots of women, but they have no money, right? I am a guy that's in the middle. I make decent amount of cash. I have a nice little spot here in Hollywood, California, right? And I have a great dating life. I work my ass off at this desk. I don't drink. I don't smoke. And if I make a shit ton of money one day because I closed a big deal, I will reward myself with a woman. I don't believe in going all in on each side. I don't. You can have a little bit of fun. You approaching that girl will not kill your progress. You approaching that girl, you going out with that girl won't ruin your progress. I'm here to tell you, you can have both, but going too crazy in both directions isn't the best idea. It's a good balance, man. It's a good balance. So to wrap up this video, because I know you got shit to do, bro. If you're the guy that always says I'm focusing on me, look at the scoreboard. What have you really done? If the answer is nothing, okay. I'm not saying go out to a bar, get shit-faced, spend hundreds of dollars on Ubers and get blacked out. That's stupid. But what I am saying is you can meet women and approach women and get your women skills up while you're doing your thing. Those two can coexist, okay? People who tell you that you have to go all in on both are extremists. Because guess what? If I tell you, let's say you're an extremist, and I tell you, you have to like go get girls, what you'll do is you'll sit on Tinder and Bumble and Hinge, having them auto swiping while going on 3 dates a week, while spending $50 to $100 per night. You're getting blacked out at bars. You go all in. That's stupid. I don't want you to do that. I am balanced. I go out to places here in Hollywood that are free. I don't drink. So going out damn near costs me no money. And I walk because all the bars and clubs are around this area. So going out literally costs me damn near no money, right? So if you're gonna go out and get girls, don't be an extremist. Where going out costs you $200-300 per night. If you're that guy, then yeah, stay all in on self-improvement until you can afford to spend that much money per night. If you wanna connect with me, please hit the link down below to join my Discord. I have all my courses there. I have live calls every Monday, and you get access to me. You have a good day now. Peace.